Hey Russell fam, in today's video, we're going to do a flip through of Winning with Writing, Level 7. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to our Russell's Loving Life YouTube channel. Here on this channel, we talk about homeschooling, homemaking, and everything in between. I am a homeschooling mom of 2, and I have been homeschooling since 2012. We also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. Make sure to check that out. There, I give you tips and tricks and things that I have learned through my years of homeschooling. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. That just lets you know every time we upload a new video. And if you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. This is my second year to teach this curriculum. I love it. It is a 36-week program where you do a lesson each day. So it is daily. The lessons are not super long, not super stressful, but you get a lot done in that week. So it is broken down. Let's turn this camera around and I'll show you. The Winning with Writing curriculum comes with an answer key for first and second semester, and it comes with a first and a second semester workbook. This is weeks 1 through 18. This is weeks 19 through 36. So let's go to the table of contents so you can see it's a 36-week program. It has a lesson for every day of the week, 5 days a week. Here's the table of contents, what you're learning in each lesson. And each lesson is a week. And then you can see after your first 5 lessons, there's always a review. So every 5 lessons, a review, 5 lessons, a review, which I love. I know I say this in all my videos, but the spiral approach works well for my family. And that's why I use all of these curriculums. All right, so that is what is covered in the first 18 lessons. Let me show you what a couple lessons look like. They're short and to the point. You read a little bit and then you do some work down here. There's lesson 1, day 2. Lesson 1, day 3. And then answer some questions. That's the rest of lesson 1, day 3. Sometimes it's front and back, sometimes it's just the front or just the back. All right, here is lesson 1, day 4. And this is based off everything you have been working on and reading from the beginning of the week. And then you get over here to day 5. All right, and here, I love this curriculum. It breaks it down. It tells you how to do, your rough drafts, how to do all of that, outlines. And it's just the basic fundamentals of writing. And a lot of curriculums will just say write a paragraph, and sometimes they don't teach you how to do a paragraph or how to write a paragraph or how to write a report or anything like that. And that's why I love this one, because here's your rough draft. Then you're on day 2. And it's on your, then there's your final outline. And then this is your draft. So you're taking everything and copying it from your outline and putting it over here. Day 4, edit your rough draft. And then you're going to write your final copy on day 5. So I love it. It walks you through the process. It teaches you and then walks you through it. All right, so here we're going to start with our day 1, starting with your rough outline. Then you're going to come over here to your final outline, and you're going to take all of your thoughts and you're going to put them into actual sentences. There's your subtopics. And even make sure you're doing ending sentences. And then you're on subtopic 4. And then even make sure you're doing a concluding paragraph. Now you're going to come over here and you're going to write everything from your final paragraph or final outline on here. Gives you plenty of room to write. Then you're going to, day 4, you're going to edit it. And day 5, you're going to come over here and write your final draft. This is why I love this curriculum. It walks you step by step through it on what you need to do, what you need to know, on how to do a correct writing assignment. How you write your paragraphs correctly, how you write a complete essay, the steps you need to go through and follow. I'm trying to get to the review for this, is why I'm just flipping through. All right, so now we are on lesson 6, day 1 review, and it's basically just answering questions, going back over everything you learned in the last 5 lessons. So typically it's just kind of 1-page short things to do on the reviews. It's our final outline. All right, so that was lessons 1 through 18. Let's see, 19 through 36, table of contents. It's typically the same thing, the layout all the way through. It's just covering different subjects and topics in your writing. So there's lesson 19. And see, here's your review after 19 through 23. And this is for your second semester. And if you need to go slower, then you can go slower. If you need to speed it up, you can speed it up. However you need to do it, you make this curriculum work for you. And that was the flip through of Winning with Writing Level 7. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comments below. I would be happy to answer any questions. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.